Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty savage day. Good old gap and trap on this one. Price gapped up and then barely budged, came back down. False bounce there, false built, bit of confidence, and then back down it went. And when it went back down that second time right there, time number 2, that's what's really set up for an interesting setup here headed into Friday. And I should note that this is not some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special talent. The exact opposite. I assure you a lot of people that use charts and understand charts are going to be watching this exact same level. And that level is going to be right here, which is, like I said, didn't hit it today, but it's definitely getting within striking distance right there at 424. 424 was an important area of support back there on Wednesday. And now the price is well within striking distance here. So my point here is this, is that when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So sure, nothing is guaranteed, but my point is it's not illogical at all. In fact, it's a very rational thought to have that if the price breaks down through 425, there could certainly be some additional downside selling pressure. Now, does that mean it goes down to 405? I'm not saying that, but from a trading standpoint, there's definitely some wiggle room here on the chart for the price to potentially visit, an area down around, give or take this 415-ish mark. So like I said, the potential is there for some downside selling pressure and momentum to build upon itself. But that does depend on 424 because, again, to be fair, maybe the price comes down here and like it did right here, it holds up and then gets an upwards movement where it holds up and then once again gets an upwards movement. So that's why there's going to be so many eyeballs on that level. So watch it very closely. If there is any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside, key breakout point, in my opinion, at least in the near term, that a lot of breakout players are going to be watching right there around the 431 mark. So keep a close eye on that. But yeah, as of right now, those are going to be the main technical levels that I'm watching headed into Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.